Yes, weho tubana umunsi kundi gatanu kuri gatanu, ndavuga wa muntu wakoze subscribe ureba ibiganiro byacu ukongera ugasubira ukongera ukabireba. Ndagusuhuje aho uherereye hose. Niba aribwo bwa mbere ufunguye iyi channel, make sure subscribe, kora subscribe kugira twibanire umunsi kundi gatanu kuri gatanu hano kuri Ivan Official. Reka nongere mbabwire ngo mbahaye ikaze. Ese muraho neza? Igihe cyari kibaye kinini ntabasuhuza, tutaganira cyangwa se ntagaragara, ariko ndongeye ndaje mu by'ukuri. Mbese muri amahoro? Mbahaye ikaze, nta kundi twibereye kuri Ivan Official. Reka mu by'ukuri mbakire abantu mwumva icyongereza, reka mu by'ukuri mbahe ikaze mu nyumvire y'ano makuru, muyasesengure, mwandike no muri comment muyumve neza. Ni amakuru aturutse mu gihugu cya South Koreya, Koreya y'Amajyepfo. Mwumve aya makuru yemwe bantu mwumva icyongereza. Yes, twagiye n'umunyamerika wacu, reka tumwakire mu by'ukuri mu kanya atugezeho amakuru mu cyongereza. Tugaruke.
News updates on Ivan Official. South Korea's constitutional court has dismissed the impeachment of Prime Minister Han Duck-soo, reinstating him as the country's acting president. Han took over as acting leader last December when President Yoon Suk Yeol was suspended from duties and impeached by parliament after he attempted to declare martial law. However, Han only lasted 2 weeks in power before lawmakers voted to impeach him as well. Since then, South Korea has been led by Deputy Prime Minister Choi Sang-mok. South Korea has been roiled by political chaos since Yoon's botched attempt to impose martial law. Shortly after assuming the role of acting president, Han blocked the appointment of new judges to the Constitutional Court, something the opposition had hoped would improve the odds of Yoon getting impeached. As a result, they voted to impeach Han. But on Monday, the judges ruled 7-1 to strike down the impeachment. "I thank the Constitutional Court for its wise decision," Han said after the ruling was announced. "I will work to bring the government to order." South Korea remains on tenterhooks for another upcoming decision by the same court on the impeachment of President Yoon. Yoon was impeached by parliament and suspended from his duties on December 14, but this impeachment will only be made permanent if passed by the Constitutional Court. If the court dismisses that impeachment, Yoon will return to his duties immediately. Yoon's court date has not yet been set for the verdict, but in recent weeks Seoul has seen swelling protests from Yoon's supporters and opponents, with hundreds of thousands taking to the streets of the nation's capital last weekend.